In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Base44 to GitHub, step by step. By the end, you'll have your Base44 app linked to a GitHub repository so your work can be versioned and backed up in a central place. First, open Base44 in your browser and go to the specific app you want to connect. Make sure you're inside that app's editor or preview view so you can access the integration controls. It helps to confirm you're in the right app before continuing, especially if you manage multiple projects. Look toward the upper right corner of the screen and click the GitHub logo. If you're not currently signed in to GitHub in your browser, you'll be prompted to log in. Go ahead and sign into your GitHub account, then return to Base44. If you're using multiple GitHub accounts, double check you're logging in with the one that should own the repository for this project. Back in Base44, select Connect to GitHub. This opens the integration flow. You may be asked to grant Base44 permission to access your GitHub account. Approve the request so Base44 can create and update a repository for your app. If you see options for personal or organization access, choose the location where you want the repository to live. Next, click Connect GitHub to confirm the link. This step finalizes the handshake between Base44 and GitHub. Give it a moment to process. Network delays are normal. If you encounter a permission warning, verify you have rights to create repositories in the selected account or organization and try again. Now, choose Create Repository. Base44 will either suggest a repository name or let you set one. Stick with a clear, recognizable name that matches your app. Most teams keep the default settings here, and you can always manage repository visibility and settings directly on GitHub afterward. Once the repository is created, click the GitHub logo in the upper right again. This refreshes the integration panel so you can see the latest status without reloading the whole page. Finally, check that the connection shows as successful. You should see indicators that your app is connected, often with a repository link. If you see an error, rerun the connection flow, confirm your GitHub login, and ensure the correct permissions are granted. That's it. Your Base44 app is now connected to GitHub. Congratulations. From here, you can commit changes confidently, track versions, and collaborate more smoothly with your team.